Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Big E back again with another video, and today's video is sponsored by One Bone. Own your fit. Guys, today we're back with a very familiar face, and that is Luke Zion jewelry. And I haven't had a Luke Zion review up on the channel for a minute now, so I am super excited to have Luke Zion in the house. Right now I am wearing my 8-sided 4.6 millimeter box chain that I reviewed a few months back from them, which I absolutely love. Definitely one of my dailies, definitely a very versatile chain. And guys, if you've watched any of my Luke Zion videos before, you know that I am a big fan. All the silver is imported straight from Italy, and like I always say, guys, it's some of the shiniest silver that I have ever seen. So with that being said, I don't know why the intro hasn't happened yet. I don't know where Bob is. I don't know where Rob is. Everybody got the day off. I'm out here alone. So Big E, do your thing. Do your thing, bro. All right, guys, and we are back. And like I said before, we have Luke Zion in the building. And here is our Luke Zion box. Today, we're going to be reviewing another box chain.
Another one.
And this time is the 4.5 millimeter box chain in 30 inches of length. And with that, guys, as we did last week, I am going to do it again because a lot of you commented and said that you enjoyed it. We are going to go back to Big E's POV cam for this unboxing.
I'm so excited that I'm about to piss all over myself.
So with that, guys, here we go. Let's get to the POV cam. All right, guys, and we are back, and I got the crazy glasses back on my face, and we are looking at this Luke Zion box right here. Beautiful blocks with that chrome logo. Ravioli is trying to lick my ankle as we speak, and let's open the box, guys, and boom. Okay, we are greeted with this sticker, as you guys can see right here, the Luke Zion sticker, which she includes in all the packs. And here is the chain, guys. Don't you love that? With the POVs, you guys are seeing it right away. Look at that.
Oh, thanks, man.
So let us take a look at this thing, guys. Feels very heavy as I'm pulling this out right now. Pause. But wow, guys, look at this chain right here. Look at this beauty, guys. Wow. Shiny as always. I love this box link. Let's take a quick look at the clasp. And my favorite, guys, we got that pear-shaped clasp right here. The closed jump rings. I mean, guys, just, you know, right on par with Luke Zion. Always that same kind of amazing quality. Let's look at this chain. Beautiful. Beautiful. Silver Squad stand up. This is 2 in a row for you guys. And with that, guys, POV time is over. Let's go and dig into this piece. All right, guys, so we are back in. We just left the POV cam. And real quick, before we go any further, like I said in the beginning, guys, today's video is sponsored by One Bone. Own your fit. Guys, One Bone is the shirt that I'm wearing right now. It's the shirt that I wear in all my reviews. They have a huge variety of different types of things. If you want a tee, if you want a long sleeve tee, a hoodie, a jacket, pants, track pants, you name it, you go on the site, they have it from size medium all the way up to a size 7. So they got you covered whether you're small or whether you're extra large. Not a Big E type of person, but maybe a triple XLE, but they got you. So with that, guys, down in the description below is going to be a link to my landing page with One Bone, and make sure you use the code BIGE15 for 15% off your entire purchase. All right, guys, let's get back to the video now and keep looking at this box chain. All right, guys, so we are back in, and man, so I'm looking at this thing, guys. Obviously I had the shades on before, but man, this silver is just so shiny. It's just crazy to me. And guys, with these box chains, you know, on this one right here, when I got it, this was actually the first box chain that I had, and this thing was crazy. And I found myself wearing this pretty heavily in my rotation, guys. It has a nice weight to it, and these chains, guys, believe it or not, are amazing for pendants. And I just got a new pendant that you guys are going to see soon. It's something that I have actually wanted pendant-wise for a very, very long time. So I'm very excited to share it with you guys. It's going to be coming up in the next couple of videos here. It's something that you guys are going to love, but these chains are great for pendants. And you know what, guys? Let me actually take this chain off right here really quick, because let's take a quick look at the differences over here. You know, this is the 4.6 millimeter right here. This is a 4.5 millimeter. This is the 8-sided diamond cut. So what the difference really is that you are getting extra, it looks like extra, like, you know, basically, how do I say this without sounding crazy, but just extra boxes. Pause, very big pause. But, you know, the diamond cut one is absolutely beautiful. And guys, you know what? Listen, the silver is so shiny, it's really hard for me to tell that big of a difference. But I am definitely feeling this new box chain right here, guys. You know, the diamond cut one is a little tighter. Obviously, it's diamond cut. This box chain is not diamond cut. But you know what I love, guys? I mean, this, you can just tell the quality of silver that Luke Zion uses. Right now, silver is through the roof. It's just rising every day. I've been screaming to the rooftops to anyone that will listen to me to buy silver right now, because this is one of those times where a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, you're going to be kicking yourself if you don't. You're going to be like, man, I could have got silver for $40 an ounce when it's up at 300 or 400 or 600 or whatever it may be. I believe in silver. HODL. Hold on for dear life. That's what I'm doing. I'm heavily invested in it, and silver is my thing. I'm definitely, like I say, one of the leaders of the silver squad, and silver is my favorite metal. Gold is right up there with it, right there, guys, but silver is my true love. It's my first love, and I ride with it. But yeah, guys, this chain is just beautiful. I can't say enough about it. But let's get some measurements going. So again, guys, this is supposed to be a 4.5 millimeter. Let's pull this out over here. You can see that we are at 0. I don't know if that's upside down, but let's get a quick measurement on this, and we are at 4.61, 4.55, and let's do one more for good measure, no pun intended.
That was funny.
4.55. So as always, guys, Luke Zion is hitting over with the measurement, which I always love to see. And guys, I got Big Bertha taking the day off today because we do not need Big Bertha for this box chain. So let's turn on Little Bertha over here. Let's get her zeroed out, and I believe she is. And let's drop this chain on, and let's see where we are at. 88.58 grams. And guys, listen, there's always, if you guys read the description, I always have the links to everything in the description. So if there's ever something that I missed, because somebody commented recently when they saw me, you know, make my first One Bone ad, and they were like, yo, Big E, make sure you're not selling out for the riches and not covering the jewelry. And one thing I always want to tell you guys is that One Bone, for instance, is a company where the owners are my friends. I've turned down so much money, so many people coming at me, because I will never sell you guys out, ever. I do not do this for the money. I do this for the love. I do it to help you guys out.
Thank you.
And that is my little rant right there. But, you know, again, I am only human. So sometimes I might be reviewing, I might be having a little bit too much fun. I might be talking to Bob, even though he has the day off. I don't even know. Bob's laying here dead right now. But I might be talking to Bob. Maybe me and Bob are cool off camera and you guys might not see it. Or maybe I'm talking to Rob. I don't really talk to Rob that much yet because we don't know each other that well. But maybe I'm talking to him, and maybe I get a little too crazy sometimes on the reviews. And for you true nerds out there, I'm missing certain things. And I get it. Listen, I'm the first one to admit when I'm wrong. Ravioli, stop playing with the bottle, bro. Ravioli, chill. Chill with the bottle, buddy. Chill with the bottle. Come here, Ravioli. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. All right, guys. He doesn't want to come here. Oh, now he wants to come here. All right. So anyway, guys, like I said, there is stuff that I'm going to leave out. Okay. There's stuff that I can't always get into every video. I am only human. I try to make this channel fun as well as educational. You know what? Because I'm a fun guy. I like to tell jokes. It's what I do. It's what I've always done.
You're funny. You got that funny thing. You're a funny guy.
So I'm always going to be me no matter what. So that's why there's always links in the description. And you guys can always email me. You can always DM me on Instagram. Follow me on there. Shameless plug if you guys aren't. I'm Big E the Jeweler everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, everywhere. Big E the Jeweler. And guys, there are people, if you read these comments, they will testify to it. I will help people out until the wee hours of the night if it means helping somebody make a good purchase. So with that, guys, this has been the review of the 4.5 millimeter box chain from Luke Zion. And again, guys, I think this is going to be one. Ravioli, chill with the cut, buddy. We're doing a review right now, dog. We're doing a review, Ravioli. Hold on, guys. He's really messing with me right now. Hang on a second. Hang on. All right, he doesn't want to come now. He's trying to play keep away with your boy. Anyway, guys, this is a chain that I think is going to be added to my rotation. Not I think, I know. I definitely am feeling these box chains. Luke Zion has some great pricing, guys. I do have a surprise coming up for Thanksgiving with Luke Zion. I'm not going to reveal it just yet, but you guys stay tuned.
Wow, you're a tease.
Because Luke Zion and myself have something in the works for you guys. So with that, guys, we've reviewed the chain. I've given you my opinions. I love it. I really do. Oh, you know what, guys? I didn't put this on neck. Oh my God. What's wrong with me? I didn't put it on neck. I didn't put it on neck. I'm ready to wrap the video up.
How could you?
I have to put it on neck. Look at this thing on neck, guys. I was about to forget putting it on neck. Look at that. Come on, E.
I've never been more shocked.
Yeah, guys, this looks great on neck. I'm looking at it right now, and this thing is beautiful. I can't believe I almost just forgot to do that. And you know what I'm going to do to make up for it? I'm actually going to take my other box chain, because this feels dope already. And let's layer this right on there. And take a look at that, guys, for the extra thick box of Ravioli. Stop with the cup. The extra thick box look that we got here. This is pretty dope. So guys, maybe listen, maybe you're feeling this box chain, maybe you have some more questions, but you can get yourself 2 of these box chains, because now that I'm looking at this is definitely something that I am going to be re-rocking. Ravioli! Ravioli! Stop it. I'm trying to do a video over here. So guys, like I said, you can buy 2 of these. You can buy 2 of these. I'm not trying to upsell you guys or anything like that. I'm not trying to sell anything to you guys. I'm just saying I'm looking at this right now and it looks great. So with that, guys, now I'm really ending this video, and the only thing left to do is rate it. And guys, on the dope or nope verdict, here is the verdict up here. And as I said, guys, this is my new rating system, and Luke Zion is dope. This chain definitely passes Big E's standard over here. If you guys want to ever freeze frame it and take a look, so you can kind of pause it and look at these ratings, at a certain point, I'm going to make a little catalog of all the ratings and separate it out and organize it for you. Maybe I'll have somebody else do that. Maybe I'm lying. Regardless, it'll be there so you guys can take a look at the catalog. But with that, guys, this has been the review of the Luke Zion 4.5 millimeter box chain. All the links will be in the description so you guys can check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please, please, please leave your comments down below, guys. I always like chopping it up with you. You guys giving me your opinions of whether you're feeling it, whether you're not feeling it. Who knows? Just let your boy E know. That rhymed. So with that, guys, like I said, it's been the review of the 4.5 millimeter box chain, and I am out. Peace.